Coconut oil health benefits for cats. Did you know coconut oil for cat is a thing? Yes, even your feline best friend can reap the health benefits. Learn how it can help expel hairballs and more. You're already using coconut oil in your recipes and coffee. You're aware that using a tablespoon of this saturated fat rich oil is far better for your health than using high processed vegetable or seed oil. And perhaps you're aware that coconut oil can help treat cold sores and chicken skin. Maybe you even know about using coconut oil for other skin conditions as well as for hair and even arthritis. But there's a good chance you're less familiar with coconut oil for cats. Let's start with the most common way to use coconut oil for cats. It's the most popular use for coconut oil in humans as a food. Adding a bit of coconut oil to your cat's food may benefit your feline friend's health for many reasons. The first reason doesn't usually pertain to humans. You see, most cats suffer from chronic dehydration. That's because most cat owners exclusively feed their pets dry food. Cats need diet containing 80% moisture. However, dry food contains only 10 to 15 moisture. Adding a bit of coconut oil adds some moisture, and all it takes is a 1/8 or 1/4 tablespoon. Coconuts are a rare source of plant-based saturated fat, and it's the trio of fatty acid in coconut oil, lauric, capric, and caprilic acid that offer the proven antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of coconut oil. And your cat might just derive the same benefits from coconut oil as well. Coconut oil for cats' teeth. Let's face it, some cats have horrible breath, but that's true of any species. Rotten cat's breath, though, has a distinct odor to it, and if you can relate, then coconut oil may help. If your cat has terrible breath, a daily dose might have to do. Keep in mind, no studies are proving that coconut oil for feline dental care works, let alone what a proper dose for it is. Coconut oil for skin and fur. Perhaps the most common use for coconut oil for cat is for skin and fur. According to a holistic veterinarian, coconut oil can help with allergies, dry skin, itchiness, and overall cold health. It may even help alleviate symptoms or dermatitis. But here's the thing with using coconut oil on your cat's skin. Cats will lick it off, so who knows if applying coconut oil on cat's skin works. If you want to try it, you'll have to be vigilant and try not to let your cats lick its wounds. In general, putting some coconut oil on your cat's skin or fur is likely safe. If your cat has fleas, give it a try, and it might help with other minor skin irritations. However, if your kitty is overweight, keep in mind that coconut oil is high in calories. If your cat's going to lick all the coconut oil you apply to the skin, that's not going to help it lose weight. Coconut oil for cats' constipation. Sometimes, just like us, the kitty can't go poo-poo. The telltale signs include a couple of pebbles in the kitty litter or even blood spotting from straining. Remember the fact that the cat food ideally should be 80% moist, and most cat food is only 50% moisture. Well, this could be one reason that your cat is constipated. However, before feeding your cat a huge spoonful of coconut oil, keep in mind that because your cat's digestive system isn't used to it, coconut oil may cause diarrhea. Because of this, start small. Only give about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon once or twice a day to start. Other uses of coconut oil for cats. Other anecdotal evidence claims that coconut oil, when fed to cats, can boost kitty's immunity, as well as aid digestion and even help eliminate the bane of every kitty, hairballs. How can coconut oil neutralize hairballs? It all comes down to moisture. Coconut oil lubricates the GI tract. Thus, instead of being stuck, coconut oil may help move the hairball along. although to be sure, other oils may help with this as well. Coconut oil side effects for cats. If your cat is obese or has inflammation of the pancreas, avoid feeding coconut oil. And if your cat has one or both of these conditions and you want to apply coconut oil to your cat's skin, you'll need to make sure your cat won't lick it off. Also, make sure if you're going to feed your cat with coconut oil, buy virgin or extra virgin coconut oil. Do not use cheap coconut oil that has been refined. Any oil that has been processed can cause inflammation. Reminders: all content is for general informational purposes only. It's not intended to substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment.